beautiful people. Today I'm gonna be unboxing two packages. One is gonna be from Splendies. I received their package from them last year and I have not opened it, and I honestly feel really bad. It was during the time I was modeling and doing a lot of influencing stuff. So I'm gonna open them right now. Let's see what's in here. How cute, look at their packaging. Oh my gosh, Splendies. First of all, this is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to do a photo shoot with these because what? Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be so comfortable. Material is awesome on these. This is one of my favorite materials. It's nice and stretchy. I'm for sure gonna do a photo shoot for them using these underwears because they're so cute. I'm gonna have to find myself a nice cute little pink bralette to go with this one. But most likely I'm gonna do a little photo shoot with Splendies. Thank you, Splendies, for sending me this. Oh, I'm excited. So next package, I don't know what this is yet, guys, so let's see. I bought a Zara coat from Whatnot, kid size, because you guys know I run really small. I'm literally a size 12Y in girls, and my shoe size is a 2. So imagine trying to find heels for me. It's the worst. But anyways, I'm an adult, I'm 30 years old. I gotta manage, I gotta do what I gotta do. So I bought this cute Zara sweater or jacket coat. Oh my gosh. That was really bad at showing you guys. It is so cute. And it is gonna fit me. See, I told you. It may even fit me long. And this is 10Y, 10 and kids. I'm telling you guys, I'm really tiny. But so cute. The length is so good too. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to wear this. So profesh. I'm just kidding. I'm being hella extra right now. But oh my gosh. Y'all know it's the little things with me. But yeah, I'm excited. Thanks for watching. And then until next video. Bye.